In this video, I'll show you how to compare documents with Claude AI. This is a simple way to find differences, similarities, and key insights between files. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click the plus icon next to the message box to open the Tools menu. From the menu that appears, I'll select Add Files or Photos. Now I'll upload the documents I want to compare from my computer. Once the files are uploaded, they will appear in the chat. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen and type a prompt like, "Compare these two documents," and highlight the differences. Then I'll click the Send button. Claude will analyze the documents and generate a comparison, showing similarities, differences, and key points. If I want a more detailed comparison, I can refine my prompt. For example, I might type, "Compare these documents," and focus on key changes, tone, and important sections. Claude can also help summarize each document or highlight specific areas of interest. Once the comparison is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it for review, research, or decision-making. And that's it. I've successfully compared documents using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.